Ethereum is currently sitting at $2,498, showing a 0.56% drop over the past 7 days according to market cap. Hello Crypto Moon community, before we get started, just a quick reminder that I'm not financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so make sure you always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. If we take a look closely at the chart, something interesting is happening beneath the surface level stagnation. From May 19 to May 22, Ethereum formed a short-term uptrend, pushing toward the $2,700 range. However, the chart clearly shows a strong rejection near $2,700, confirming that this is a critical resistance zone. Since the rejection, Ethereum has been consolidating in a sideways to slightly downward pattern, showing that the bulls and bears are locked in a battle for control between $2,400 and $2,700. So the lower shadows on the candles around $2,450 suggest that buyers are still stepping in aggressively at the level, hinting that a strong support floor forming. At the same time, repeated tests of the $2,700 level without a clear breakout signal that the market is watching this range like a hawk. Now here's where things get exciting. According to the technical analysts, Ethereum is forming a bullish flag pattern, and if it breaks that $2,700 resistance, we could see a textbook breakout of the upside. Now, targets in that scenario range from $3,030 as the first leg, $3,500 as the midterm resistance, and potentially $4,035 if momentum continues and volume supports the move. Now, in other words, a clean breakout could move above 2,700 and could trigger a 40 to 60% rally from where we are right now. Now, what gives this chart even more weight is the fundamental activity behind it. TVL on Ethereum jumped 44%, now is over $65 billion, meaning more users are locking assets into DeFi. Daily transactions also spiked around 37%, and a strong sign of increased demand. And some gas fees are rising, indicating more competition to get transactions through the network, which historically leads to higher Ethereum. So what is the price prediction? Now, if Ethereum fails to break 2,700 again, we may see another pullback of 2,400, possibly even down 2,300 briefly. But as long as 2,400 holds, Ethereum is just coiling for a breakout on the flip side. If Ethereum breaks and holds move above 2,700, the next targets are 3,300, 3,500, or even 4,000 and above. Now keep your eyes on the volume spikes and RSI levels because they will be early signals for the next leg. With network activity heating up, the sentiment still over 80% bullish, Ethereum could be gearing up for its most important move since early 2024. Now, this is not just price action, this is a signal. Thank you for watching Crypto Moon community, and I will see you in the next video.